First, show me your idol.
Yep.
Second, I'll be the one that who you like. Third,
Hello everyone, this is Jasmine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let us begin with the contour. So I will use this Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the color shade Bronzer. And I will contour my cheekbone and continue it downwards to my chin toe.
yeah, I'm the star. Red and yellow, black and white. Ooh. Chameleon.
After that, I will blend out using my fingers. This Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer is so blendable, so you can just use your fingers when you first apply it.
Chameleon.
I will contour my nose too, a little bit.
Take me from this boring days.
And this is my really favorite part. I'm gonna highlight my nose using the Wet n Wild's Blossom Glow highlighter. And I highlight this part of my nose and highly recommend try this highlighter in this part of your nose. I'm so sure that it will work for most of you guys who are watching this video right now. So just try to highlight this part of your nose. It helps your nose look much more like glowy and prettier. And if you think you apply too much, don't worry and just blend it out with your fingers. As you know, this is the Milani's Luminoso. It has a really delicious pretty sheen, it's so much blendable. So I'm just going to use this blush to glow up.
Everyone is dark. You're the light. Draw a line with white. Chameleon.
So after applying this, don't forget to blend it out. It's pretty much blendable. And then it's time to glitter up to give a more dramatic effect. So I will use the glitter primer by NYX before applying the glitters on. Apply the glitter primer in the area where you're going to apply the glitters. And then I will just try to build up the glitter on my cheekbone.
First, show me your idol.
Yep.
Second, I'll be the one that who you like. Third, change my temperature. Don't ask me why. The reason.
Do you see the sheen is like so pretty? And I will continue to the lips part. I'm just using the Too Faced Matte Type Liquid Lipstick. And like it is sometimes too much dry for me, but I just still like the color shade, so I'm just using it right now. But I suddenly felt that I just needed some more kind of richer, darker red color. So I will use another lip product later on. I'm just using the Physicians Formula Healthy Lip to give some more richer and darker red color shade on my lips. So I'll apply mostly on the inner part of my lips and blend it out using the Mam technique. Do you know what Mam technique is? In Korean we say like 음파. Maybe I will say like Mam.
From this boring days.
Yep.
I'm sure
If you're done, you're done.
get me out. This common and endless life, daily life, fill me with your special taste. That you're chosen by me, I'll be the one that you like. See the girls like a lizard, guess what's my co-star? So on, yeah, I'm the star.